What if you could enjoy the warmth and character of reclaimed wood without the maintenance, the moisture worries, or the plastic feel? Meet Earthy Pine Swiss Real Linoleum floating flooring, where rustic wood beauty meets Swiss engineering and truly natural materials. Most so-called wood look floors are made from PVC and synthetic layers. They feel cold, sound hollow, and rely on plastic to perform. Earthy Pine is different. No PVC, no plastic, just real natural materials. Crafted in Switzerland, this flooring features a real linoleum surface, made from natural materials like linseed oil, cork flour, pine resin, limestone, and jute. Non-toxic, completely recyclable, and certified with UL Green Guard Gold for clean indoor air. Spill something? No problem. Thanks to its hydrowood core, this floor is 100% waterproof, perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and even restaurants. Its advanced hydrowood waterproof core stands up to spills, humidity, and everyday life, no warping, no stress, and supports wide installations up to 100 feet by 65 feet with no expansion gaps. With a light fastness rating of 7 out of 8, it resists fading in even the sunniest spaces. Thanks to its integrated cork backing, Earthy Pine feels warmer, softer, and quieter underfoot, and stays warm to the touch, even in winter. Reduces noise by up to 40% compared to laminate flooring. That's peace and quiet you'll hear and feel. Perfect for bedrooms, living areas, and workspaces. It's engineered with Uniclick click-lock technology, featuring a precision fit of just 0.03 millimeters, ensuring watertight joints that hold strong over time. The floating installation is fast and clean, requiring no glue or adhesives, ideal for DIY enthusiasts and time-sensitive renovations. Compatible with underfloor heating and ideal for homes, retail spaces, restaurants, and offices. Engineered with hot coating earth surface technology, Earthy Pine is built for real traffic. Scratch-resistant, dent-resistant, rated Class 33 for commercial use. Even heavy furniture won't leave marks. It stands up to kids, pets, and office chairs with ease. Unlike vinyl, Earthy Pine is made from natural materials, lasts decades longer, improves indoor air quality, and delivers real comfort underfoot. This isn't plastic flooring. This is flooring designed for real life. Traditional wood floors struggle with moisture. Vinyl may be waterproof, but it's plastic. Earthy Pine Swiss Real Linoleum floating flooring gives you the best of both worlds. Authentic wood beauty, real waterproof performance, and natural materials. Need it in a flood-prone basement or bathroom? No problem. This floating floor can also be glued down to prevent water intrusion underneath. Modern, durable, waterproof, sustainable. Ready to bring natural character into your space? Order samples today and experience the difference of real linoleum, crafted in Switzerland and designed for modern living.